gives no fuck. Mira, Chucky.
What is this shit?
Fuck you. Let them run. Watch them run. Watch them run. Watch them all run. Watch them all run. They're going to tackle them. Watch them all run. And some of them stay. And all of them run. There was no such thing as a 5-0.
Over there, they're fighting. Let's go over there.
Okay, there's a fight over here. Come on. Hi, Chucky! He comes back. Hey, Hugo. We are now watching a bunch of fights. Well, and this is Hugo.
You talk weird on camera.
And these are all the gangbangers about to fight. They're gonna fight. Come on, come on, let's go, let's go. Okay, we're on action now. We're witnesses of a fight. Watch them all. See the guy, that big dude right there? Yeah, that's I forgot his name. What's his name? Berto? No!
Who's he?
I don't know. Shoot, niggas. Look at that, look at that. Shut up. Isn't the guy moving? Loser. Hi. Smile for the camera. Hey, sexy. I'm just kidding. Now, everybody stop. See, right there? That dude right there? Yeah, that's Bert. That's, what's his name? Martin Luther King. And then there's Robert.
Hey, look at
And there's Roger. Smile, Roger. And there's some girl playing some good music. I don't know. Okay, here comes Roger to the rescue. Roger to the rescue.
What is he doing?
This song. They're gonna fight.
They're gonna fight?
Yeah. No, the Kings broke it up. That's how King Brother rolls.
Good job, King Brother.
Okay, now here comes Aldo. Aldo to the rescue. There's Aldo, and there's their nasty mother cracker Carlos. Okay. The fight keeps going.
They all run.
Hey, the 5-0 isn't coming. Mira, Razas, and King is King Love. Just kidding.
Who's the one right there?
Look at Roger. Roger's tripping out.
Good job, Roger!
Laytown, no, Roger's pissed. A taco. Hey, I wanted that taco.
Put that away. 5-0, nigga.